Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about strength of materials to corrosion. What is the most common form of corrosion for iron and steel? A. Rusting. B. Pitting. C. Desinsification. D. Fretting. E. Stress corrosion cracking. The correct answer is A. Rusting. Which of the following is not a type of corrosion? A. Pitting corrosion. B. Galvanic corrosion. C. Crevice corrosion. D. Erosion corrosion. E. Expansion corrosion. The correct answer is expansion corrosion. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which environmental factor most significantly accelerates corrosion rates? A. Low temperature. B. High humidity. Low pressure. D. Darkness. E. Low oxygen levels. The correct answer is B. High humidity. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.